Hello guys, today we will be doing unboxing of Amazon Basics 4G wireless USB dongle stick, which is launched on 22 July 2022. It comes with a dongle stick and SIM tray and a quick start guide and safety manual. Yeah, this is how we will open. Nano SIM tray. And the features are, it can give a speed up to 150 Mbps, and it can support all SIM trays, SIM cards like it can support all SIM cards including Airtel, VA and BSNL. And we have to insert this into a laptop or a power bank for the power source, and it can support up to 10 Wi-Fi devices, and it comes with the Qualcomm chipset, and the price is $2,999.